Hi, and welcome to Step Up AT's device demonstration videos. Today, we will be featuring the Big Button from Attainment Company.
I need help.
You need help?
The Big Button is one example of a single-cell augmentative and alternative communication, or AAC device. It's an easy-to-use tool with a large activation space that requires minimal movement to push.
Turn the page.
It offers 1 or 2 message recording options, allowing you to switch between single or sequential messages based on the child's needs. Recording is simple. Just press the switch, hold the button, speak your message,
It's story time.
press the switch, and it's ready to go.
Story time.
The Big Button stores up to 2 minutes of audio. Its clear snap-on cap allows you to insert a symbol or picture card, giving users a visual and audio reinforcement.
Open.
Durable, portable, and easy to clean, the Big Button is designed to withstand daily use in classrooms, therapy, and at home.
Good day.
Whether it's used for the child to greet, make a request, respond, direct someone's actions, or participate in structured routines, the Big Button allows children to be heard and included. Let's see the Big Button in action. The Big Button can be used in the classroom for a variety of routines, to lead a task, or to actively participate in the classroom's daily activities. For example, the Big Button can be used to take attendance.
Ella, today you're gonna help me take attendance. All right, Ella, we're gonna go through the list of names and you're gonna tell me here
Here.
or not here.
Not here. Here. Not here.
That's right.
Here we see the teacher offering the student 2 big buttons, one with the message here and one with the message not here.
Melissa, are you here?
Here.
Yes, she is here. Is Christina here? Yes, that's right. Christina is here. Thank you. Brian, are you here?
Here.
Samantha, are you here?
Not here.
Not here. Thank you. You helped me take attendance today. You did a great job.
Also, the Big Button can be pre-programmed with messages that let the students take part in classroom announcements, such as telling their peers it's time for lunch.
Time for lunch.
Teachers can also practice daily skills during classroom activities, such as programming the Big Button so the student learns to request what they want to eat during lunch
Brown sandwich.
as a precursor to perhaps learning how to use the device in the community while ordering food at a restaurant.
I want burger and fries.
Students can also use the Big Button to share their opinion. To encourage class participation, this teacher uses the Big Button with pre-recorded messages for the students to take part in the activity. The students select the appropriate button to share their answer. To enhance the Big Button's purpose, the teacher can record messages to announce an activity, such as the student pressing the Big Button to say story time at the beginning of the lesson.
All right, everybody go sit down.
Once the activity begins, pre-recorded phrases, such as what happens next, helps the student direct the flow of the discussion.
What happens next?
Phrases such as I like it gives the student an opportunity to comment and highlight the enjoyment of reading.
Okay, so we just read about all these sharks today, and we're gonna see if you guys liked it or you did not like it. I like the white shark. I like it.
Like it. Don't like it.
You don't like it. How about you? Do you like the white shark or not like
Don't
it?
like it.
You did not like. Is it because it looks scary? Yes, sharks are kind of scary, right? I really like the tiger
Like
shark.
it.
Do you like it or you don't like it?
I like it.
You like it? Is it because his name is Tiger?
Phrases such as turn the page keeps the student engaged during story time.
Turn the page.
Okay, go ahead.
It is important to provide students multiple functions of communication with the Big Button. Using the Big Button during this reading activity supported the students' active participation, allowing them to engage with their teachers and peers while also strengthening their connection to the story. By pre-recording a simple announcement, a directive action, or commenting phrase, the teacher can create meaningful opportunities for the student.
What happens next?
They can interact with their peers and contribute to the learning experience, making reading more accessible and fun for every student. For more information on using augmentative and alternative communication tools and strategies, click the links below and check out our other videos highlighting AAC at school and at home. Thanks for watching.